Welcome to the real estate page. In this video, we're going to walk through adding land to your financial plan. Begin by clicking on the land icon. Next, input the address or lot number or title you'd like to label your land. You can then input the value of the land that you own and the expected growth rate year over year throughout the length of the analysis. As you navigate down the page, you can then input the purchase price of the land and any capital improvements that you've made. If you use debt to purchase the land, you can input the remaining debt balance, monthly payments, and interest rate. If you don't have any debt on the land, you can leave this section blank. If you'd like to simulate making any additional annual payments on top of the mortgage, you can select yes and input the year you'd like to make a lump sum payment. If making additional lump sum payments is not part of your plan, you can simply select no. Finally, indicate what you'd like to do with the land. If you have no plans to sell, select no. If you do want to simulate selling your land at some point throughout the analysis, select yes, and indicate the year you'd like to sell the land. Once all required fields are complete, select Add to continue.